do anything for attention. We don't give a fuck what hood you claim is the paperwork solid. We can talk about the money later. And talk about it, be about it. Love is war, war is love. How that pussy what I told her. I'm not worried about no leashes. Fuck her out. I'm gonna get this money so my bitch can suck me and go spend it. Since it just come on, I'm like lime green jumpsuit at the top like Mountain Dew. I'm a real space cadet. Only see me if you stop by Pluto. Where's your final destination? Autocorrect like a phone. Automatically check a nigga for that you wrong. She's a basketball star I'm trying to put on my team. Chris Paul with this crossover. Kawhi Leonard went on D. New members not invited unless my brothers bring you in. Don't listen to these hoes if it's not making you no cheddar. Can't tell me what you feel if you never stood on 10 without your biscuit. I'm a different type of nigga, not with the ones you used to. You say that we outdoors. I'm a people with his tail clip. Don't mix it with no Pomeranian. I don't kiss it, let me rub it first. All my niggas fresh like Easter Sunday. Niggas be confused, I only fucking hoes. I'll go out hitting licks before I ever swallow semen. All these racks stacked together like Pringles in a can. I can speak, but too bougie, right past the ratchet. Time is running, don't waste time. Can't get caught slipping on my pimpin' for the toxic hoes. Can't get caught slipping on my pimpin' for you toxic hoes. Fuck pushing P, I'm pushing double in for money, motivated. Rest her body when she naked. Put some water, tell me that you love me when I'm in it. Addicted to your love. I miss you, real lover boy. If it sound like macaroni. Rub your feet, buy a bag if you want it. Hope you got your niggas under control. We're not beefing over Babianas. Niggas got too much time. If you watch who a nigga follow and unfollow. I need an old school with the skinny ties. I'm not trying to cruise. I'm trying to cruise through the city and look out for them potholes. Forever with them niggas trying to get sober, but I miss sipping mud. Told game we gotta beat them challenges. Stay down, so I can put my daughter in a charger. She said the love she got for me is real. She eat my dick like it's a waffle. Don't mix the business with pleasure. Nigga, you gon' be alright. Not speaking on your dead people. I've been trying to stuff my pockets with white dead people. We keep moving. We keep moving on. Keep up with me. Don't expect to turn around. Let's chill, cut the lights off. Watch a movie with no sex. Let me run my fingers through your hair while you lying on my chest. Let's fall asleep together. When we wake up, can we talk about investments?